Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Solivsoul 33. If you're watching me for the very first time, I'm Bhavna Rao. I create content on travel, lifestyle and beauty. In today's video, we are going to capture something really beautiful and special to me. That is my first ever photo shoot with cherry blossom, as the season is full of cherry blossoms and sceneries. So I just got ready with this cutest attire that I have in my wardrobe to shoot something with the cherry blossoms. Now let's go to the location. I am in Bornholmer Straße. Now let's go see the scenery. I am really excited for this photo shoot because this is my first ever photo shoot with one of my closest friends. So I have contacted a professional photographer for this photo shoot. As I'm not gonna show you exactly how this is gonna happen, but I'm gonna add little bits and pieces or behind the scenes. So come join me, as this is the location in Bornholmer Straße. As there are no cherry blossoms like as seen in this picture, but we'll just shoot some photos, whatever we get. Come join me. There are only few spots where you could just capture few photos, but let's see what my photographer will say. So if you like this video of mine, give it a big thumbs up, and also share and comment on my YouTube channel on what I have to create a content. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.